At sila nagasto sa CCTV cameras para nga diretso sa aton. We are not interested on CCTV cameras inside the bank. What we are only interested in are the cameras in front of their banks and especially in front of their ATMs. Ito para safe ang tanan. No? And they have agreed. And siguro isa lang sa final meeting, mandugangan talaga ang CCTV cameras para sa mga bangko. But so far as the Esplanade issue is concerned, we need more cameras. Andito nakita ko ang isa ka area na of concern is Guzman de Sena. Kadamot na yung kaagi ka mo sa Guzman de Sena towards ano na ang direksyon mo? Ibawaan, San Miguel, no? Kadamot kita buildings, small buildings, pero damo kita mga small and medium entrepreneurs, no? Small restaurants, small coffee shops, etc. Areas well lighted, but hindi damo tao. Muna siguro nga, dira man ang damo na basal kotse. Premiuhan ko, we are declaring war on hold-uppers and this basal kotse syndicates. Also, mga street crimes, mga snatching, cellphone snatching, pickpocketers, hindi na pwede diri sa aton. We have already ensured that we're able to get, I think, last year, 4 additional police stations. The city has given the police already about 50 police cars. They requested for an additional 16. We gave 3 already. I have given instructions that we are going to procure another 6 para mamata-matas na buligan para mas damo ila mausar para mobility. And motorcycles if needed, okay, para mapasiguro tagit. But I think we should not be complacent. While Iloilo City has been declared one of the safest cities in Asia, we all know that at any time there are syndicates that come in, especially if our peace officers are complacent. Ang isa ko pang instruction, aside from uniformed policemen, there should be plainclothes policemen para nga mas ma-postdakon bagay ini ng mga criminal syndicates. We have been doing very well insofar as our illegal drug operations are concerned. But I think these are petty crimes which we should not leave unattended because ammonia ang ginabatyagin sa ordinaryo ng Ilonggo. Magkanto siya sa eskwelahan, magkanto siya sa obra, mag-exercise siya diri sa Esplanade. Kag kung magpaliwaliwas sila, makadto sa isa ka restaurant, isa ka kapihan, sabi nila matawhay, pero amo ni matabo. So, this week I will be calling for a meeting again so that we will be able to come up with a more cohesive plan para involve ang mga barangay tanons, kaya kadamo ng barangay tanons, sa mga barangay para makabuligid sila.
Sir, kailangan reward ni happen?
I will give them rewards, but I will not disclose it. Kabalo lang na sila kung pila na natang sila. Sufficient reward.
Yung mga plan before, ang CDRE mo, ang mga establishments, magtakod sa CCTV, i-connect sa city.
Arriba na ako.